Welcome to Holdson, home of the Electroform brand of electrochemical polishing machines. Our Electroform machines are ideal for a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, medical, and nuclear. Our system effectively processes the most common metal additive materials, providing rapid improvements in surface finish. With significantly lower costs than traditional mechanical polishing methods, our Electroform machines can help save you money while delivering high-quality results. Our machines are up to 6 times faster than our competitors, with increased throughput that maximizes your efficiency. We care about sustainability, and our Electroform machines use recyclable consumables and electrolytes to minimize waste and reduce your environmental impact. Our Electroform machines are built with cutting-edge technology, including advanced hardware that delivers superior results every time. For fast, efficient, and sustainable electrochemical polishing machines, look no further than Electroform by Holdson.